You are welcome to my second class of graphics. Hope you have watched the first graphic pictures and text, because this one is the second graphic class. Please make sure you watch the first graphic class. This is the second one. Thank you. Let's go. Before we can start, we go to our start button. We type Photoshop. Then you click on Photoshop. This tool will take time to load. We just have to wait for it to finish loading. It's still loading. Then we'll close this. This time we'll go to File. We'll go to New. I still maintain my 800 by 200. You can have more than this, so depends on how you want it. But I decided to use the width of 800 and the height of 200. Then I click OK. Then I'll drag this one in position. Expand it. Expand this. The reason why we're having white, because we have two layers here, the black layers and the white layers. They are on top of each other. But I want to make use of the black layer, so I have to press Ctrl backspace. I see. Taking Ctrl backspace, the page I've taken the second layer. That's why we're having black color here. You see it? So for me to type a text, I have to go to T here to type a text. When I click on T, I will make sure that the font I'm using is Times New Roman. There are different fonts. You can start to use any of the font you like, but in my own case, I'm taking the first Times New Roman for my font. Then I can now type the word good. Then I will check this. Then I will move the good. Click on my click tools and move the good into position. And I will expand it. Expand this. Expand this. See it? Then I now click on, I'll check this. Then from here, I will go to my layout. Then under layout style, we have different type of layout style. And then I click on blend option. From this blend option, I can also go to my color overlay. You see the color overlay? I can take my color overlay from here. You see the color? For my color overlay. Then from here, I can change the color to any color I like. A gold can look like this. There's some gold that are often shining like this, and there's some gold that is like this. Depending on the type of gold I want. I prefer to use something like this. Then I'll now click on OK. Click on OK. You see that the gold have changed. Then I'll now go back to my layer. Then I go to my layer style. You know, I told you that we have different type of style, but in my own case, I first of all take blend. Then there are different options of style here. I'm using the bevel emboss. I'll double click on it to appear here. Then this place that we have the techniques, you can see the word techniques. I'll change it to cheese art. The way I take my cheese art, you can see that the shape of the text have already changed. You see it has changed. Then this place that is 100, I can start to increase it to 180. You can increase it more than this, depends on how you like it. But taking 180, you can see that the shape of the goat have already changed again. It's having some kind of a thick curve at the side. I hope you can look at the side, you can see the curve. Then in this place, under direction, this place that is 5, I can change it to 45 to bring out the shape. You see the 45, or if I like, I can use 43. Depends on what I want. So if I use 43, you can see that the shape have already changed again. You see the shape using this one, 43. Then I still maintain my 120 and 30. Then for me to change this completely, I have to go to this place and select this option. Do you see how shiny the gold is now? Do you see the color? Then I can select this. You see the gold. Or if I like, I can also remove it so that you see the shiny clearly. Then I can click OK. Do you see how beautiful the gold is? Very beautiful. In my other class, we are mixing of color, but this one, we are using a single color. So you can see how beautiful you can do it. This is my second class using a single color. The first class was mixing of different color, but this is just a single color.